that you can actually be at the intersection of the two. And so, as far as my remarks go, I am deeply honored to receive the American Society for Quality's 2023 William G. Hunter Award. It is particularly meaningful to me because this award was established over 30 years ago to recognize the many contributions Dr. Hunter made through promoting statistical thinking and the use of applied statistics in an amazingly wide variety of roles, as a hands-on consultant, a zealous educator and developer of educational programs, a practical communicator, an integrator of statistical thinking into other disciplines, and an implementer of innovative and novel applied statistical methods in practice. It's also meaningful because of the distinguished, accomplished, highly regarded recipients who've previously received this award. Dr. Hunter continues to have a profound impact on our discipline and on my career in service, in teaching, and in research. Dr. Hunter has influenced me by example, primarily through his vision and his efforts to improve the lives of others by applying our discipline to complex and consequential problems. Doing More with Less in the Public Sector, a progress report from Madison, Wisconsin, which Dr. Hunter co-authored with Dr. Jan O'Neill and Dr. Carol Wallen in 1986, and Quality in the Community, One City's Experience, which Dr. Hunter co-authored with Dr. George Box, Dr. Laurel W. Joyner, Dr. Sue Rohan, and Dr. F. Joseph Sensenbrenner in 1989, predate and presage by several decades the formation of organizations such as the American Statistical Association's Statistics Without Borders and Inform's Pro Bono Analytics Initiative. Of course, Dr. Hunter has also influenced me through Statistics for Experimenters, which he co-authored, of course, with Dr. Box and Dr. Stuart Hunter, and its predecessor, the technical report, 101 Ways to Design an Experiment, or Some Ideas About Teaching Design of Experiments. I really love that title. The exposition in each of these publications is simple, clear, meticulous, elegant, and practical without sacrificing correctness or completeness. And these publications altered the way that I think about communicating statistical ideas and statistical results with students, with clients, with the media, and even with my colleagues. Statistics for Experimenters in particular still resonates with me, and it establishes a standard that I continue to strive to achieve. I did not have the privilege of meeting or taking the class from Dr. Hunter, so I can't speak from experience, but from the writings of Dr. Hunter that I have read, the comments that I've heard colleagues make about him, the interviews with him that I've watched online, and the dinner I had with his son Justin last night. And what a real treat it is, not just to receive this award, but to receive it in Raleigh and be able to have lunch with his son, who lives just down the road in Wake Forest. It's a tremendous gift. But I've inferred from all of these contacts and readings that a quotation from his citation for fellowship in the American Statistical Association neatly summarizes Dr. Hunter's professional identity. It reads, "For a unique ability to combine statistical research and consulting responsibilities into enthusiastic and memorable teaching, for efforts to enhance statistical programs in developing countries, and for many contributions to the profession." This is a legacy to which all statisticians should aspire, and it is a legacy that our discipline and the ASQ have happily not forgotten. I wish that I could express my gratitude to Dr. Hunter for this in person. In reading observations made about Dr. Hunter by previous recipients of this award, I was pleased to see that they uniformly recognized and shared the joy that he drew from statistics and his passion for our discipline. It is comforting for me to find that Dr. Hunter and I have that in common. I also found that Dr. Hunter and I share concern for the quality of life, statistical capacity, and development of statistics communities in smaller and less wealthy nations. Dr. Hunter and I also feel very strongly that statistics is the embodiment of the scientific method and is therefore the foundation of all other science. I owe also a great deal to our discipline. Statistics has provided me with incredible opportunities to work on fascinating problems in a wide range of disciplines, the solutions of which have real consequences for people in need, engage with intelligent, clever, kind, generous colleagues around the world who've also become dear friends, interact with energetic, enthusiastic, curious, bright students at all levels with a wide range of academic interests and backgrounds, travel to and experience captivating places and cultures around the world, and study and better understand a discipline that continues to engross, confound, and fascinate me. Today and every day, I am thankful that I found statistics, and I am thankful that statistics found me. I thank my good friend and colleague, Dr. Jason Parton, Associate Professor of Statistics and Director of the University of Alabama's Institute for Data and Analytics, for nominating me for this award. I also thank the 2023 William G. Hunter Award Committee, Dr. Michael Joyner, Dr. Terry Utlaw, Dr. Joanne Wendelberger, and Committee Chair Dr. Bill Rodabaugh for selecting me to receive this recognition. Finally, I thank my dissertation co-advisors, Dr. Marty Levy and Dr. Jeff Kam of the University of Cincinnati, for giving me a strong academic foundation and being good colleagues, good collaborators, and good friends throughout my career. My many co-authors and collaborators for what they have taught me, and my wife Teresa for her kindness, her generosity, and for supporting and indulging my professional endeavors at a level far greater than I have any right to hope for. I thank you all, and I hope you have a good afternoon.